Good afternoon. Ngayon po yung October 2, 2023 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM Digit Games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong October 2, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Monday, October 2, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 2, 2023 Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 estimated jackpot price is 64 million pesos for Monday, October 2, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for October 2, 2023 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.